What if I told you you could go from an outsider to an insider in crypto? Here's something wild. If you just invest $10 to $50 weekly into solid crypto plays, reinvest rewards, and stay consistent, your portfolio could quietly 5x or 10x while everyone else is still waiting for the next bull run. But there are things you must know. Crypto isn't really about crypto. It's not about Bitcoin. It's not about meme coins. It's not even about the blockchain. It's about power. And the truth is, the people who are getting rich from crypto in 2025, they don't treat it like a gamble. They treat it like a system, a game with rules that most people don't even know exist. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the crypto market really works, the hidden layers, the unspoken strategies, and how you can go from outsider to insider. Yo, if you're tired of feeling like you're late to every crypto wave, if you've ever thought, man, I should have bought that coin earlier, this is your moment. I'm not here to hype coins. I'm here to give you the blueprint so you stop playing the game blind and start playing it smart. You probably hear crypto and think Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe some meme coin that shot up 1,000%. But that's surface level. Crypto today is a full-blown digital economy with its own banks, DeFi, its own businesses, dApps, and its own communities, DAOs. People aren't just trading coins. They're building apps, lending money, earning yields, and even voting on protocols. It's not a trend. It's a transformation, and the earlier you get it, the richer your future self will be. Here's the thing they don't teach you on crypto Twitter. Retail doesn't move markets. Whales do. Most of the market pumps you see, that's big money positioning itself weeks before retail jumps in. And by the time you hear about it, you're the exit liquidity. So how do you flip the game? You start by tracking the whales, following their wallets, watching where the smart money flows, and positioning yourself before the hype hits. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I get that, but what do I actually do with this info? Let's get into the good stuff. The real money in 2025 isn't in just buying and holding coins. It's in staking your crypto to earn passive rewards, providing liquidity to DeFi pools, using AI bots that auto-trade based on market data, sniping undervalued tokens before they launch. Platforms like Pendle, Layer 0, Jupiter, and EigenLayer aren't just buzzwords. They're where the next wave of millionaires is being made. These aren't high-risk gambles. They're structured plays where people earn 10 to 20% yields while others sit in fear on the sidelines. Let me be real with you. Most people are still out here chasing meme coins, hoping for another Dogecoin moment. But the winners? They're stacking tokens with utility. They're looking at what problems the project solves, how big the market is, whether it has actual users and volume. They're treating it like a business, not a bet. All right, enough theory. Let's talk action. Here's how you start playing smart. 1. Set up a wallet like MetaMask or Phantom. 2. Pick a blockchain ecosystem to focus on, Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum. 3. Start staking or lending your crypto on DeFi platform. 4. Use DeBank or Zapper to track your portfolio. 5. Invest weekly, small amounts, no emotions. Remember, crypto rewards consistency, not hype chasing. The market isn't about speed, it's about strategy and patience. Crypto isn't for gamblers anymore. It's for builders, learners, and long-term players. So, now you know how the crypto market really works in 2025. The question is, are you going to keep watching it from the sidelines or start building your bag today? Drop a comment and let me know. What part of the crypto space are you diving into first? Smash that like, hit subscribe, and turn the bell on. Because in the next video, I'm dropping the top 3 crypto income strategies you can start today, even with $50 or less. Let's get you off the bench and into the game.